Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to be working on our 1998 Toyota Camry 2.2 liter 4-cylinder. We're going to be showing you how to change out the radiator cooling fan, which is the bigger of the two fans over here on the passenger side. If you like this information, please click subscribe. We have a ton more information on this vehicle as well as many other makes and models. If you want these parts for your vehicle, they're available from 1AAuto.com. You can follow the link down in the description. Here are the items you'll need for this repair. Open the hood and secure the hood prop. The radiator cooling fan is the larger of the two electric fans on the back of your radiator, located on the driver's side. We'll disconnect the electrical connector over here by pushing down on the tab, sliding it off, removing these two 10mm bolts with a 10mm socket and ratchet. Lift up and remove the fan from the back of the radiator. Here we have our old fan that we removed from our vehicle and our new fan from 1AAuto.com. As you can see, these fans are exactly the same dimensionally, while there are some aesthetic differences, the old one being a 4-fin, the new one being a 5. They have the same dimensions on the outside here with the actual shroud. We have the same bolt locations at the top, the same slots to reinstall the clips. For our electrical connector, we will have to change this one over onto our new fan. We have the same pins at the bottom to mount into the bottom of the radiator, and the same electric motors on the back, while this one does have a cover that we're going to have to change over as well. These electric motors can seize, have bearings fail, or can have open circuits inside of them, causing them to not function properly, as well as make noise and vibration or create an overheating concern with the vehicle. So if your vehicle has any of these problems and you've narrowed it down to the radiator cooling fan, this new part from 1AAuto is going to go in direct fit, just like your original equipment, and fix you up right. We'll remove these two 10mm bolts, securing this metal shielding to the back of our motor. Use a 10mm socket, ratchet, and extension. We'll slide these clips off of the old fan. You may need to use a small flat blade screwdriver to help pry them off. We'll flip over our fan, push these two clips together with a pair of slide jaw pliers. Once they're compressed, we'll pop the connector out. There are two black plastic tabs in here that will wedge apart with a pocket flat blade screwdriver. Then we'll push the retainer off of our electrical connector. We'll slide this retainer onto our new connector, snap it into its slot, slide in our metal speed clips here, lay the metal shroud back onto the back of the fan, reinstall our two 10mm screws, tighten them down with a 10mm socket, ratchet, and extension. Now our fan assembly is ready to go back into the car. We have two holes here at the bottom of the radiator that we're going to install the two pins located at the bottom of our fan shroud into to retain the bottom while the bolts hold the top. We'll reinstall the fan, being sure to line up those two pins at the bottom. We'll reinstall our two 10mm bolts at the top and tighten them down with a 10mm socket and ratchet. Reconnect your electrical connector and you're good to go.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope this video helped you out. Next time you need parts for your car, please visit 1AAuto.com. Also check out our other helpful how-to as well as diagnosis videos.